Hi, welcome back to Fixin' It. We just picked up this 98 Cobra. Really just for the motor and trans because this car is completely shot. It's not one body panel that's not hit. I was thinking of keeping the hood and throwing it on my 97 over there, but we'll see. Trying to figure out this car. It looks like it was all Frankensteined up, so I have no idea if it's even. It looks like an original car, but that's it. This is all we need. That motor and the trans. So this should be fun. Stay tuned. All right. So we took the hood off and we've been taking all kinds of stuff off little by little. We're draining the fluid, the antifreeze down there. Took off the intake, the cold air intake or whatever. You gotta take these fuel lines off. Took off the throttle.
Come on.
This guy's messing around with this.
Got a regular plier, dude.
Yeah, someplace. We're taking off the alternator. As you can see, all the stuff came out. Anything that's gonna interfere with the taking off of this thing. All right, we got this thing out. It's free. The car is gonna be junked, so we cut the whole front end over here just to get it out. Ideally, you want to take the K-member off the car and drop the motor on the floor and lift up the car, but we don't have a lift, obviously, so these stupid long tube headers, I don't know how anybody puts them in. That's gotta, I mean, you gotta lift the engine to get to them, I guess. But anyway, so we're taking out motor and trans, all one shot. So that's it. Say hello, Papa.
Huh?
Say hello.
What?
Say hello.
Hello.
All right.
Look what I did.
look what he did all by himself. If it wasn't for that guy,
That done dripping now.
it should be all right. Yeah, we disconnected the K-member to just to give
Once
us
the
more
trans
room.
comes out, it'll fucking.
That's why the wheels look like that. Okay, she's out. Motor, trans. These headers were all shot, that's why we cut them. But that's it. And this is where it came from. All right, ready for the junkyard.
No, this is a Borg Warner trans.
Is it?
Yeah. But it's a Tremec on it. So they changed them. They don't just come out like that anymore.
Bow one. All right. Thing got the nice signature of who built it. All right. Sounds good. You got any codes?
Yeah, it's got a fucking evap code.
Evap. Don't go crazy. Only one wheel. So this is the motor that came out of that yellow GT over there. This is also a Cobra motor and it had a Kenne Bell Supercharger on it, and we blew that shit up. Big hole in the block, and it cracked this side. Big crack on there, all along. All that shit is cracked. It actually warped. Looked like it warped the block too. So this is scrap. We're gonna take the heads off. The heads are still good. So this is the car. I received a new motor. Alright. So this is the Cobra motor we took off that green piece of shit. So we might throw the Kenne Bell back on this. We don't know yet. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But for now, I think he just wants it running. That's it. Yeah, it wasn't a detailed swapped. Basically, to take the motor off, you gotta take all the wires, all the fuel lines, unhook the exhaust, the drive shaft, you know, basically anything that's connected to the body, and you just pull it out. So as you can see, the hood was cut to fit the supercharger pulley. Now he has a freaking hole on it. So anyway, that's it. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.